Hi, welcome to the Chinese Handwriting YouTube channel. Quick video for today introduce a Chinese new term, 最后一公里. The last kilometer. The last kilometer refers to the last mile of a long journey, a metaphor for the last critical step measured to accomplish something. The last mile of a long journey. A metaphor for the last critical step. Measure to accomplish something. For example, the last mile will perhaps be more difficult to grind out than all the ones that came before it. 要打通这最后一公里，可能比打通前面所有的路都难。最后一公里。Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.